Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 290th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make one of the ultimate and comforting soul food dishes. We're going to make smothered turkey wings. And my friends, this is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, smothered in gravy. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And they just fall right off the bone. And it is great for Soul Food Sunday or any night of the week. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist where you can find some delicious, quick and easy mouth-watering Southern dishes from fried chicken to meatloaf to oxtails. So grab your turkey wings, your vegetables, and your gravy sugar because we're about to cook some smothered turkey wings magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make the seasoning for our turkey wings. Over here, I have a tablespoon each of kosher salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, and a half a tablespoon of black pepper. Give that a quick stir. And we're going to set the seasonings aside while we prep the turkey wings. Alright, my friends, over here in this bowl, I have prepped my vegetables. I have 1 onion diced, 1.5 stalks of celery that I chopped, and 1 green bell pepper chopped. That we're going to put on the turkey wings. And over here I have my turkey wings that I washed and pat dry. So using the seasoning that we made earlier, we're just going to season on both sides. Like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish seasoning my turkey wings and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through seasoning up my turkey wings and I put them in my bag along with the vegetables and I have some gravy in them. So now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let it bake for 2 hours. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Soul food style smothered turkey wings. Doesn't that look delicious? And look at that gravy. Smells incredible up in this kitchen. Alright, so now I'm going to let the turkey wings cool for a few minutes and then I'll fix them up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some green beans, rice and gravy, and cornbread. And this is my homemade cornbread recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And also, I did a video on making white rice. I also post a link to that down below in the description box. But doesn't that look good? My mouth's watering. Now that's what I call soul food. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice and tender. Look at that. Still a little hot, don't want to burn my mouth. Perfectly cooked. I love that gravy. Please get this recipe a try. These turkey wings are extremely incredible. Turkey wing-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.